puzzles, right? Let's see a puzzle. What is the missing number of this? Here, the missing number minus 2 equal to 4. Okay, we know the answer is 6, right? Because 6 minus 2 equal to 4. That's easy stuff. Well, in algebra, we don't use blank boxes. We use a letter, usually an X or Y, but any letter is fine. So, we write X minus 2 equal to 4. It is really that simple. The letter, in this case on X, just means we don't know this yet and is often called the unknown or the variable. And when we solve it, we write X equal to 6. Let's learn detailing in the chapter 11, Algebra. First, we are going to see the topic, the idea of a variable. Under this, we are going to see about variable. An unknown quantity which takes various numerical value is called variable. An unknown quantity can be represented by a variable. Usually, a variable is any letter from the English alphabet that represents an unknown quantity. The relation between the unknown quantity and the other quantities can be expressed with the help of the variable. The value of the variables varies with the given condition on the variable. Next, constant. A quantity whose value does not vary is called a constant. Another one, algebraic expression. An expression consisting of variables, constants and mathematical operators is called an algebraic expression. We can use variables to form expression based on patterns. Okay friends, now we are going to see the another topic, use of variables in common rules. The following are some simple rules for the properties of numbers using variables. Number 1, commutative property of addition. This property states that two numbers can be added in any order if A and B represent any two numbers, then A plus B equal to B plus A. Second one, commutative property of multiplication. This property states that two numbers can be multiplied in any order if A and B represent any two numbers, then A into B equal to B into A. Third one, associative property of addition. This property states that three numbers can be added in any order if A, B and C represent any three numbers, then A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Fourth one, associative property of multiplication. This property states that three numbers can be multiplied in any order if A, B and C represent any three numbers, then A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Fifth one, distributive property of multiplication over addition. This property states that if A, B and C represent any three numbers, then A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay friends, let's see a simple problem under this concept. The question is, if there are 50 mangoes in a box, how will you write the total number of mangoes in terms of the number of boxes? Let's see the solution. Here, number of boxes equal to B. Then, number of mangoes in each box is equal to 50. Therefore, total number of mangoes is equal to 50B. Shall we move on to the next topic? That is, expression with variables. If 5 added to y can be expressed as y plus 5, then a multiplied by 8 can be expressed as 8a, and x divided by 3 can be expressed as x by 3. Then first z multiplied by 2, then 5 subtracted from the product can be expressed as 2z minus 5. Let's see using expression practically. Number 1. Sarita has 15 more pens than Amina. Let Amina have X pence than Sarita has X plus 15 pence. Second example. Raghu's father age is 2 years more than 3 times Raghu's age. Let Raghu's age be t years, then Raghu's father's age is 3t plus 2 years. Okay friends, let me ask a question. What is an equation? Let's see about that. A mathematical statement that indicates that the value of the LHS is equal to the value of the RHS is called an equation. An equation puts a condition on the variable. The value for which the equation is satisfied is the solution of the equation. The value of the variable in an equation that satisfies the equation or makes its LHS equal to its RHS is the solution. An equation can contain numbers and variables. An equation is said to be an algebraic equation if it consists of a variable. A single variable equation will have a unique solution. An equation that does not have any variable is called a numerical or an arithmetic equation. Different numerical values for the variable are substituted in an algebraic equation, and the solution is obtained by using a method called the trial and error method. If there is no sign of equality between the LHS and the RHS, then it is not an equation. Let's see a problem. Let's see the question. From expression using t and 4, use not more than one number operation. Every expression must have t in it. And the second case, form expression using y, 2 and 7. Every expression must have y in it. Use only two number operation. They should be different. Let's see the answer of case A and case B. First we are going to see the answer of case A. Here t plus 4, comma t minus 4, comma 4 minus t, comma 4t, comma t by 4 and 4 by t. And the answer of the second case, case number B. Here 2y plus 7, comma 2y minus 7, comma 7y plus 2, comma 7y minus 2 and so on. Thank you all. I think you understood this session. We will meet again in the next section. Bye friends.